Millions of drivers are quietly throwing away hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars every year on repairs that could have been avoided with simple tricks they've never heard of. The craziest part? One of these forgotten techniques can dramatically extend the life of major components in your car and keep money in your pocket instead of the service department. If you're tired of feeling like your car is slowly bleeding your wallet dry, stick around. These 15 genius car hacks are so effective, you'll be angry you didn't know them sooner. Hack number 15, the steering wheel grip restorer. That sticky, shiny, worn-out steering wheel that's lost its factory grip, the dealership is probably quoting you $300 to $500 for a full replacement or fancy leather rewrap. Don't do it. Go grab a jar of plain petroleum jelly from your bathroom cabinet. Apply a thin, even layer across the entire wheel and work it in with firm circular motions. Let it sit for a few minutes, then buff off the excess with a clean microfiber cloth. You'll be shocked how quickly the material drinks it in and comes back to life, supple, grippy, and looking years younger. One $3 jar can do this dozens of times. What most people don't realize is that steering wheels don't really wear out structurally. They dehydrate and get destroyed by UV rays and constant hand oils. This simple conditioning not only restores the feel immediately, it creates a protective barrier that slows down future cracking and fatting dramatically. Dealerships love selling new steering wheel covers every couple of years because it's pure profit. They'll never tell you this free maintenance trick exists. Hack number 14, the natural air freshener hack. Stop wasting $5 to $15 every month on those overhyped tree-shaped air fresheners that give you headaches and only last a couple of weeks. Here's the better way: pick up a pack of wooden clothespins for a couple bucks and a small bottle of essential oil. Put 3 to 5 drops of your favorite oil on the clothespin and clip it right onto one of your air vents. The airflow does the rest. One bottle can easily last you 6 months to a full year, and you control exactly how strong the scent is. Commercial fresheners are basically cheap cardboard soaked in synthetic chemicals with insane markups. Essential oils like peppermint, citrus, or eucalyptus don't just smell better, they actually help purify the air and give you real aromatherapy benefits while you drive. Auto parts stores make a killing on repeat freshener sales. That's exactly why this reusable, pennies-per-month solution never gets mentioned. Hack number 13, the rust removal miracle. Those ugly rust bubbles forming on your hood, doors, or wheel wells don't have to turn into expensive bodywork. Take a bottle of regular Coca-Cola, pour it directly over the rust, and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. The phosphoric acid goes to work. Scrub gently with a ball of aluminum foil or soft wire brush, then wipe clean. Surface rust disappears like magic for basically pocket change. Professional rust removers use the exact same active ingredient, they just charge you 10 times more for fancy packaging. And Coke has bonus uses. It cleans corroded battery terminals, removes light paint transfer, and eats through road salt buildup on the undercarriage. Body shops hate when customers discover this because it kills their entire rust repair and repaint pipeline. Hack number 12, the wiper blade revival trick. Streaking, skipping, and squeaking wipers making every drive miserable. Mechanics love jumping straight to selling you new blades for $30.60. Before you buy anything, soak a cloth in rubbing alcohol and thoroughly wipe down both sides of the rubber edges. Then give your windshield the same treatment to remove built-up grime and road film. Most wiper problems aren't from worn rubber, they're from oily residue and oxidation. This 2-minute clean can add 6 to 12 months to your current blades easily. Auto shops push replacements because they're high margin and customers rarely question them. Cleaning first is the smart move they hope you skip. Hack number 11, the rubber seal protector. Cracking door seals, trunk gaskets, and weather stripping letting in wind noise and water leaks, a dealership quote for replacement can hit $400 $800 fast. Your fix is already in the garage. WD-40. Spray it generously on all rubber seals and gaskets, then wipe away the excess. The rubber instantly becomes soft and flexible again. Do this every few months and you'll prevent water intrusion, wind noise, and expensive interior damage for the entire life of the vehicle. One $5 can treat your whole car multiple times. Dealerships would rather sell you new parts repeatedly than teach you this basic maintenance. Hack number 10, the infotainment reset solution. Frozen, lagging, or completely dead touchscreen driving you crazy? Before paying the dealership $200-400 for diagnostics and reprogramming, check your owner's manual for the exact reset procedure. Most systems reset by holding the power and volume buttons together or by pulling the infotainment fuse for 30 seconds. Some even need a quick battery disconnect. This simple reboot clears 90% of glitches because these screens are basically mini computers that get overloaded just like your phone. You're doing exactly what the dealership does behind closed doors, except they charge you hundreds for it. Hack number 9, the belt squeal eliminator. Annoying serpentine belt squeal on startup or when the AC kicks in, mechanics will quote you $100-200 for a new belt without hesitation. Try this first. With the engine running, lightly sprinkle baby powder on the ribbed side of the belt as it spins. The powder acts as a dry lubricant and stops the slipping instantly in most cases. If the noise stays gone, you just saved serious money. If it returns quickly, then you actually need the new belt. Either way, you know the truth instead of guessing. Most squeals come from glazing or minor slippage, not total failure. Mechanics prefer replacing first because it's guaranteed income. Hack number 8, the windshield spray adjuster. Washer jets shooting over the roof or missing the glass completely? Don't pay $50-100 for adjustment. Grab a safety pin or sewing needle and gently tweak the direction inside each nozzle until the spray pattern is perfect. Takes 2 minutes. These nozzles were designed to be adjustable. The service department just doesn't want you knowing how easy it is. Hack number 7, the headlight restoration method. Yellowed, foggy headlights killing your night vision and making your car look old. Skip the expensive kits or $200-400 assembly replacements. Use ordinary white toothpaste as a mild abrasive. Scrub in circles for a few minutes, rinse, then seal with regular car wax. The oxidation comes right off and the wax protects against future UV damage for months. Professional level results for under $10. Before we get into the really powerful stuff, if you're learning something valuable here, hit that like button. It helps more drivers discover these hidden tricks. Hack number 6, the dashboard sunshield. Cracking, fatting dashboards from brutal sun exposure. A full replacement can cost $500-200. Your free solution? Lay a bath towel or microfiber blanket across the dashboard whenever you park in direct sunlight. It blocks UV rays and cuts interior heat dramatically. This single habit prevents cracking, warping, and protects your entire interior electronics and materials from premature aging. Hack number 5, the scratch and rust eraser. Minor scratches and surface rust making your paint look neglected. A little white toothpaste on a microfiber cloth rubbed in circles can polish out light scratches and remove surface rust beautifully. For deeper marks, use it first to reduce them, then follow with touch-up paint. You'll save hundreds compared to body shop prices on cosmetic issues. Hack number 4, the key fob emergency backup. Dead key fob at the worst moment. Look for the small release on your fob and pull out the hidden mechanical key to open the door. Once inside, hold the dead fob against the push button start. The RFID chip still works. Then replace the battery yourself for $5. No tow, no dealership markup. Hack number 3, the fuel economy booster. Terrible gas mileage even though the mechanic says everything checks out. Remove every pound of unnecessary weight from the trunk and cabin. Take off roof racks and cargo boxes when you're not using them. Every extra 100 pounds costs you 2% in fuel economy, and roof racks can kill highway mileage by up to 25%. Cleaning this out is free money at the pump. Hack number 2, the dashboard restoration secret. Faded, cracked-looking dashboard vinyl. Go back to that jar of petroleum jelly. Apply thinly, work it in, let it penetrate, then buff to a natural sheen. It restores color, fills micro cracks, and brings back that rich factory look for pennies. The same trick works on door panels and center consoles too. Hack number 1, the diagnostic revolution. Check engine light comes on and the dealership wants $100, $150 just to read the codes. Buy a cheap Bluetooth OBD2 adapter for $15.25 and pair it with a free app like Car Scanner. You'll read the exact same codes the pros see, understand what they mean, and decide for yourself what's urgent. These tools also let you monitor live data, track fuel economy, and catch problems early, putting you in control instead of at the mercy of the service bay. So, which one of these hacks surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If this video just saved you serious money, smash subscribe and turn on notifications. I'm exposing more of these industry secrets every week. Your wallet will thank you. And if you want even more powerful tricks mechanics don't want you to know, click the next video right here. Trust me, you'll wish you'd seen it years ago. See you in the next one. Drive safe.